staying safe at home. Today we will do the chapter number 5 of history, government, society and culture under the Delhi Sultanate. The period from 1200 to 6 to 1526 is known as the Sultanate period. In this period, many dynasties came into existence. Many dynasties ruled over India. Among them, the Slave dynasty, Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and the Lodhi dynasties were there. So, we will discuss about the society and the people. About the society and the people under the Delhi Sultanate period. The society during the Sultanate period was divided into 4 main categories. The first one was aristocratic class. Aristocratic class. In this category, the most influential class of the society, this class consists of nobility and high officials, the persons who work in the court of the Sultan, as known as the aristocratic class. They were very rich and lived a luxurious life. Second important group were the ulemas and the Hindu priests. Second category, the society was divided into 4 categories. Second category was ulemas and Hindu priest. Priest is the person who perform religious activities. They used to advise the Sultan in their administration and for the with the sacred law. According to the sacred law prevailed during that time. This class of people lived on the land grants given by the Sultan and the gifts given by the common people. So the third category is the officials, merchants and the artisans. Third category is the officials, merchants and artisans. These officials, merchants, they were also lead a very luxurious life. They were very fairly to do and they are very rich. Fourth category is the common people or the peasants. Fourth category, common people and peasants. Peasants means farmers. So this category was very poor. They don't not only have to pay taxes but also they have to pay the land revenue also, and they have to suffer the natural calamities also. The period witnessed the hard, rigid caste system among the Hindus. The condition of the women that time was very poor. They were not allowed to take education and they lived in the Parda system. And the upper class women also, they were not allowed to take education. Ibn Battuta, the historian, also mentioned the event in which a woman was burnt along with her husband alive. So we can say that at that time the condition of women was not good.